To make money on Robinhood, a stock brokerage platform, you can follow these general steps. Educate yourself. Start by learning about the stock market, investing principles, and how trading works. Familiarize yourself with financial concepts like stocks, bonds, dividends, and market trends. There are numerous online resources, books, and courses available to help you build a solid foundation of knowledge. Open a Robinhood account. Sign up for an account on the Robinhood platform and complete the required verification process. Research and analyze stocks. Conduct thorough research on companies you're interested in. Analyze their financials, read news and reports, and understand their industry dynamics. Use tools available on Robinhood or other financial websites. Develop an investment strategy. Determine your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Decide whether you want to focus on long-term investing or engage in short-term trading. Start with a diversified portfolio. Create a diversified portfolio by investing in a mix of different stocks from various sectors or industries. Diversification helps spread risk and reduces the impact of any single investment on your overall portfolio. Monitor the market. Stay updated on market news, trends, and company developments that could impact your investments. Use Robinhood's built-in tools or external resources to monitor stock performance. Buy and sell stocks. Once you have identified stocks you want to invest in, use Robinhood's trading platform to buy shares. You can place market orders, buy, sell at the prevailing market price, or limit orders, buy, sell at a specific price. Consider dividend investing. Some stocks pay dividends, which are regular cash payments to shareholders. You can choose to invest in dividend-paying stocks and potentially earn income from those dividends. Practice risk management. Understand that investing in the stock market carries risks. To manage risk, set a budget for your investments, diversify your holdings, and avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. Stay informed and adapt. Continue learning and staying updated on investment strategies, market trends, and evolving economic conditions. It's worth noting that investing in the stock market involves risks, and there are no guarantees of making money.